today. I just want to double check. We're all feeling really confident before I turn you loose on your online. So it says solve for W, simplify your answer as much as possible. Just a heads up, remember that means you may get a fraction. Okay, you may get a fraction. They don't want a decimal. Draw my line. What is the very first thing I should do?
2 times W.
Very good. Distribute 2 times W.
And 2 times 3.
And 2 times 3. Let's stick with that side. 2 times W is 2W. And 2 times 3 is 6. Can I combine those two? No. On the right-hand side, is there anything I need to do? Okay. 8W minus 6 carries down 8W minus 6. Now what do you want to do? Yeah, we want to get our W's together. You want to move 2 or 8? 2. And you would move it by? Subtracting 2W. 6 equals 6W minus 6. It's a lot of 6's. Then I add 6. Gives me Chloe. Turn around. Put your feet under your desk. Peyton. Now I divide by 6. W equals 2. All right. See if you can do the next one on your own. I'll check in with you in just a minute. What happens? Your variables cancel, and you have -6 equals -6, which is infinite solutions. Yep. Also, just so you know, online I think it says all real numbers. That means the same thing. Okay, it means the same thing. If you made a mistake, my guess is it has to do with distributing this -6. Be cautious with that. Keep track of those signs. Okay. All right, Mason, I'm starting with you. Bottom problem. I'm going to draw a line, and we're going to start on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, what's the very first thing I should do? 5 times y. 5 times 2 plus 1. I don't have to put the 2 times this y right here? Or not the 2, the 5, I mean? Very good. All right, Gable, you're multiplying for me. He got it set up. When you multiply, what do you get?
5y plus 10 plus y.
Oh, pause. Zoe's going to take over now. What's next, Zoe? And what are your like terms on that side? And when you combine those, what do you get? 6y, and then don't forget plus 10 there, right? Peyton, right-hand side, what do you want me to do first?
Oh, you should distribute 3 times y and 3 times negative.
Very good with that -1. What about this one on the outside doing?
Add it on.
Excellent, thank you. Chloe, you're multiplying. What do you get?
3y
+1. Good work. Dylan, anything else I can do on that right-hand side? Where we have 3y minus 3 plus 1. And what do you get? -2. Mr. Leah, what do you got next? Okay, subtract 3y, subtract 3y. Ava, what's my next line say?
-2 on the right side.
Okay,
And then on the other side, you get 3y plus
excellent job. Jacob J, what's my next one? Fantastic. Manny, what's my next line say? What's my next line say?
3y equals -12.
Perfect. Riley, what's my next step? What am I dividing by? Careful. No, you're right. 3, the only thing I was going to say is don't put your y with it. You're right that you want to divide by the number with y, but don't put y next to it. And Audrey, last but not least, what does y actually equal? -4. Look at you guys in that. No mistake. Nobody even hesitated. Nice job.
That wasn't even safe.
You did?
Yeah, I got -9 and 0.33, so I have no idea what happened.
Okay. You had us distributing. Go back here. You distributed here. So check your next line. Do you have 6y plus 10
Yup,
equals 3y minus 2?
yup,
And did you subtract 3y?
yup.
So then you have this on your paper? 3y plus 10 equals -2.
Yeah, I messed that up.
Okay. As long as you find your mistake, that's the most important piece. Okay, one problem with words. Ready? Words are okay. You're okay, I promise. Caitlin paid a total of $48 for 6 frozen meals.
Wow.
She had a coupon for $8 off the regular price of each meal. Each meal has the same regular price. What was the regular price of each meal? Let P represent the regular price of each meal. And what this is going to show you, this is going to be one of those that you have to choose. It's going to have a blank, parenthesis, P plus blank, close your parenthesis, equals blank. Or blank, parenthesis, P minus blank, parenthesis, equals blank. You remember those where they like you have to fill in the 3 numbers? So the numbers are 48, 6, and 8. Audrey, why is it minus?
because it's a coupon for $8 off.
Very good. And that's like a discount, so it's going to reduce it. So I know I'm going to have a minus. Say it again.
Yeah, reducing.
We have a coupon, so we're reducing our cost. Jacob H, can you fill in those numbers for me? Or those blanks, I should say, with numbers.
6 and out.
Okay. And what would it equal? Thoughts? Agree or disagree with him? Agree. There's 6 meals, and every meal gets $8 off. Nicely done. Okay, now we're going to solve this. Cooper, what's the first thing I should do? Here, if I rewrite this like this, it's probably easier to think about. You're all right. It's the very first thing Mason had us do right here. Distribute. And what number are we going to distribute on ours? What number's up front? 6. There you go. So we're going to take 6 times P and 6 times, careful, -8. Okay? Logan, when you do that, what do you get?
6p
minus 2.
Careful, you're multiplying here.
Oh,
6 times -8.
-48.
Allison, what's my next one?
Subtract, no, add 48
Why do you want to add 48?
because you have to get P.
Yep, you're right. You're totally right. Don't panic because they're the same number. I think that throws us off a little bit here. We end up with 6p equals 96 if I added correctly. Am I right?
Yep.
And then everybody, my last step, divide by 6. P equals 16. So each meal is originally $16. Okay. Each meal is originally $16. I'm going to play a little music. I will hand out your worksheet here. I know it's a 3-day weekend, and I know you're like, oh, it's so lame to do homework on a Thursday when it's a long weekend. Except for, are you going to remember to do it on Sunday?
Yeah.
Probably
My
not.
mom makes me do it on a
Okay.
Sunday night.
So I would try to get it done tonight. Then you know